Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the field bow in Gothic 1 Remake. The field bow is one of the better bows that you can acquire early in your journey without the need for high dexterity requirements and an upgrade to the rider's bow. To get this, head down to the shore at this location as you can see here on the map. Now swim in the ocean and follow my path until we reach the secret pirate cove behind the rock formation. Once you get here, turn left, and at the end of this area, sitting at the table, you'll find the field bow. This bow deals 28 damage and it only requires 18 dexterity to equip. For this damage, the dexterity requirement is easily obtainable with a few upgrades and accessories you can get early on. This used to be a long bow, so if you acquired this a bit earlier, check your inventory if this weapon changed into a field bow. And that's how to get the field bow in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.